Demystifying active and passive voice, aiming for accuracy. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English learning series. Today, we'll be unraveling the complexities of the active and passive voice in English. We'll tackle some of the most common mistakes learners make when using these grammatical structures and discuss tips to improve your usage. Remember, knowing when and how to use the active and passive voice correctly can take your English to a whole new level. Let's quickly review the concepts. In active voice, the subject performs the action, while in passive voice, the subject receives the action. For instance, John eats an apple is in active voice, and an apple is eaten by John is in passive voice. One common mistake is using the passive voice when the active voice would be more appropriate, and vice versa. Remember, passive voice is often used when the action is more important than the actor, or when the actor is unknown. Conversely, active voice is generally used when the actor's identity is important. Another frequent error is incorrect formation of the passive voice. It's important to keep in mind that the passive voice is formed by using the appropriate form of to be, followed by the past participle of the verb. Here are some tips that might help. 1. Practice. Like everything else, practice makes perfect. Regularly practice converting sentences from active to passive voice, and vice versa. 2. Understand the context. Before deciding which voice to use, understand the context. If the action is more important, or the doer is unknown or irrelevant, use the passive voice. 3. Read and listen. Reading books and listening to podcasts or news can help familiarize yourself with the natural usage of active and passive voice in English. 4. Use online tools. There are many online grammar checkers that can help you identify when you've used the incorrect voice. This can be a good way to check your writing and learn from any mistakes you make. There you have it. Some common pitfalls with active and passive voice and how you can avoid them. Always remember that practice is key. The more you use active and passive voice correctly, the more natural it will become. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more useful English learning videos. Until next time, keep practicing and improving your English.